At the Kroger family of stores, we continue taking steps to keep our stores clean, open, and stocked with fresh food and essential products. Our most urgent mission is to be here for our customers when they need us most. We're also mindful that the coronavirus pandemic may result in more of our neighbors struggling with food insecurity during this challenging time. We've been inspired to see so many communities pulling together to protect our most vulnerable populations, while at the same time working together to flatten the curve. And we want to help. That's why today, the Kroger Company Zero Hunger, Zero Waste Foundation is making its largest commitment of $3 million to rapidly deploy hunger relief resources to food insecure communities all across the country. This will not only support local food banks, but it will also help fund initiatives to ensure that children, whose schools may be closed, will still have access to the nutritious meals they depend on. You can join us in our mission to create a world with zero hunger and zero waste by contributing online or at check stands in our stores to support this critical work. We would also encourage those who are able to donate their time or resources to support hunger relief organizations in your communities. On behalf of the entire Kroger family, thank you to our customers for your patience during this extraordinary time. And to our associates, thank you for your incredibly inspiring work ethic, tireless dedication, and deep commitment to helping our communities when they need us most.